Pakistan's rupee hits record low against US dollar amid struggle to unlock IMF funding. This article discusses the current economic situation in Pakistan, where the Pakistani rupee has reached a record low against the US dollar as the country struggles to secure funding from the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and faces dwindling foreign exchange reserves. The article highlights the reasons for this economic crisis and the efforts being made by the Pakistani government to secure financial support from IMF and other countries. Panic buying of US dollars. Financial experts have noted that financial importers have resumed panic buying of US dollars, while the supply of foreign currency remains low in the interbank market. This situation is further exacerbated by the fact that Pakistan's loan program is yet to materialize, months after it raised taxes and energy prices and allowed the currency to depreciate to meet IMF's conditions. Missed deadlines for IMF bailout. Pakistan secured a $6 billion IMF bailout in 2019. Which was topped up with another $1 billion last year to help the country following devastating floods. However, the IMF suspended disbursements in November due to Pakistan's failure to make more progress on fiscal consolidation. Despite months of talks, the lender has asked Pakistan to seek commitments for new loans from Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates before reviving the bailout. Incomplete requirements for IMF bailout. According to the IMF's resident representative for Pakistan, the country still has a few more tasks to complete to meet the requirements for a $6.5 billion bailout. Meanwhile, the lender approved a $3 billion loan program for Sri Lanka last month to ease its economic crisis. Upcoming high-powered delegation to the U.S. Finance Minister Ishaq Dar will be leading a high-powered delegation to the U.S., which will attend the upcoming annual spring meeting of the Bretton Woods institutions, known as the IMF and World Bank, from April 10 to 16. Some of the ruling coalition partners are also due to visit Saudi Arabia next week, which is a key event to watch. Declining forex reserves. In addition to the struggle to secure IMF funding, the country's foreign exchange reserves have also declined in recent weeks, which is another source of concern for investors. As of March 24, 2023, the forex reserves held by the central bank stand at a critical level of only $4.24 billion. Impact on rupee. The uncertainty regarding IMF and friendly countries' inflow is affecting the rupee, according to Mohammed Sohail, CEO of Topline Securities. As the situation remains uncertain, the decline of the rupee against the US dollar is likely to continue to impact Pakistan's economy.